at Sportec Renault today. There's a lot of work going on. As you can see, ये हमारी वर्ल्ड फेमस ड्रिफ्ट स्विफ्ट, जो कि ऑलरेडी हम लोग एक्शन में देख चुके हैं एट अ लॉट ऑफ द इवेंट्स. इट्स गॉट अ rear mounted G13B. Wow. Completely blocked. And the reason why we are here today is actually because that's Prateek's car, and we're here today to cover in detail about that machine. My hand is blurred, I'm sorry about that, but that's a drift Maruti 800 drift build, which has a welded diff. Meet the owner of, my hand is blurred, sorry. Yeah, but you can see him. इनकी शक्ल देखो, देख के लग रहा है he drives a drift build. Just look at him. But yeah. Sir, walk me through your beautiful JDM build.
JDM build, yeah. So it's
go on.
the paint scheme has been inspired of the AE86 from Initial D,
Okay.
and this right here, because we couldn't find what to write, I just put Sportec into Google Translate
In Japanese.
and that's what
Okay.
came out. And it has a smiley face, so all wins.
I think it's more than just a smiley face.
Yeah, but that's that. So
Okay.
How the story started out was, it was basically one of my family's first cars,
Okay.
and this was one of the reasons my house here was built where I live.
Okay.
So this had been standing for a ton of time because of the stupid 10 to 15-year-old rule, and it had been started like 2 years back. When I learned driving on this, when
Okay.
it was still stock.
Okay.
After that, I hadn't been touched, it had like sunk into the ground. And when I joined here, I was like, Harsh, yaar, let's scrap the car. Do you know anyone who scraps the car? He's like, हाँ देखते हैं. And then one day he was like, dude, scrap क्यों करनी है? Because there used to be an Ambassador engine lying around here.
Okay.
And so we thought that the Ambi engine, if it could make an Ambassador do burnout, इसको तो घुमा ही देगा. So we thought that, we were like, fine, we won't scrap it, we'll get it picked up, we'll come.
Okay.
So that took another 1 or 2 months, and we got this picked up, I think, in roughly May of this year.
Okay.
And then, so we got it picked up, got it stripped down. The next day I didn't come, because I had some work. And Harsh, being the genius he is, he got it cut according to that engine size. To the Ambi's engine size, he got everything cut, the firewall and everything.
Okay.
I come the next day and I'm like, dude. He's like, oh, we have cut it, but now that we've realized that the engine won't fit in it anymore.
Oh my God.
And I was like,
भाई
okay.
ये तो actually मेरे को भी नहीं पता था.
And I was like, this is in a condition now कि there's not enough metal left to scrap it also. अब करे क्या? And I was like, कुछ करते हैं. So we eventually brainstormed for 1 or 2 days and landed on that, let's make this all Maruti build itself.
Okay.
So we sourced from a scrap dealer, we sourced a WagonR engine 1.1.
Because Ambi का engine heavy भी हो जाता है यार काफी.
Heavy and
the 1.8 liter Isuzu engine.
Yeah.
I think Trooper.
And it was way longer. Like it just physically
Was it a
wouldn't fit.
Trooper engine? I think they used to call it the Trooper or something. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
roughly that. But it was an Isuzu engine, so it was like the engine would come up till here. So
Okay.
we had to we'd have to make the whole body, and we said we didn't have time for that.
And then the whole purpose of creating a budget drift build, I think,
Would
gets
go
defeated.
to waste. So we got that
Ah,
and came here, and the thing was the car had a shit ton of rust.
okay.
The floorboards were almost non-existent.
Okay.
Nothing. So we slowly got onto that. Once that was being done, at that time the Piston Cup dates were announced.
Ah,
And we were like, oh shit, okay, this is the only event.
ah,
And now we have to get this done before July 14th.
Ah.
Otherwise it won't happen.
ah.
And this, we are talking, we are good into June. So we somehow got everything done, put the engine, put the transmission,
Ah.
car would misfire. Car wouldn't work.
Okay.
Fine, fixed the misfire, played around.
And what engine are you running on, just for the viewers?
It's a Wagoner engine, 1.1 liter, that we've done a port and polish on, and it's running bigger injectors from a Baleno.
Okay.
So roughly, I mean, obviously I hadn't dynoed it, but roughly if you were to make a wise guess, it would be making 75 to 80 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
And the car roughly weighs right now around 525 kgs.
What?
So it's a very good power to weight ratio. I call this my own Koenigsegg 1:1. But so that was being done, and then the car wouldn't do donuts. That's where a lot of our time went. So we figured out there's a fueling problem, fixed that. And now we had, so roughly about 4 days before the event, the car was in bare bones.
Okay.
Nothing, just the engine, no bodywork, nothing. 4 days, late nights, everything, got the whole car painted,
Ah.
got the whole design done.
Ah.
And the only thing we know is that we've done 2 donuts out on the road.
Ah.
That video we uploaded on Instagram went viral.
Ah.
Got like, I think 1.8, 1.9 million views.
Wow.
And did that, and we readied the car. Read the
Obviously,
car.
ना भाई किसी ने कभी expect भी नहीं किया होगा like an 800 drifting.
Exactly.
और rear wheel
And
drive
our
conversion.
whole thing was that, यार 800 तो सबके पास थी इंडिया में. Almost
हाँ.
everyone who's had a car had an 800.
But walk me through the structural changes that you've done to make it a rear wheel drive. I mean, although I know it, but I want people
हाँ.
to know more about it.
So the engine has been longitudinally mounted.
Okay.
So it was transversely.
Okay.
After that, we've put a custom transmission in. As you can
Okay.
see, the transmission like halfway inside the car.
Okay.
And then we've made a custom prop shaft.
Okay.
All the way to the back. This is the prop shaft tunnel.
Oh, okay. I think I can see the prop shaft also from here.
Yeah, like a little.
That's
if you
the
just
prop shaft.
yeah, if you get in
That
there
thing.
enough.
Nice. Okay.
So after that, then we put the diff in.
Good thing is that you have a cage.
Yeah, so that because the car needed it, because it was needed to be very rigid,
हाँ.
and this is the man.
Paji
because
flex.
of which
मुझे बहुत सारे इंजन मिले थे
everything.
ऊपर
बहुत सारे इंजन मिले
3-4 इंजन और 4-5 गियर बॉक्सेस मिले हैं ढूंढ कुछ और रहा था
It's a regular day at Sport Tech. We just
Exactly.
find engines.
लेकिन कौन सी गाड़ी की है नहीं पता इंजन ब्लॉक्स हैं दबा
डाल देंगे
Okay.
किसी में.
गियर बॉक्सेस रखे हैं AMG 45 का डाउन पाइप मिड पाइप
हाँ वो तो
ऑयल कूलर
अगर किसी को चाहिए भी है
और heat
सेलिंग
exchanger.
AMG का सामान
45 कैसी है
45.
Beep 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 beep.
बहुत सारा सामान
बहुत सारा.
सफाई कराता हूँ
Can we open the bonnet?
हाँ
खुल जाएगा?
तो उसको निकालना पड़ेगा.
ये इसका एयर फिल्टर नहीं है.
नहीं ये इसका
नहीं.
इधर है
This-
So it has a purpose ना?
हाँ
ये कह रहा था पर्पस नहीं है उसका.
नहीं नहीं पर्पस है इसने बनाई नहीं है ना
हाँ.
शील बोल रहा था कि ये सिर्फ शो के लिए है.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा
एक क्योंकि यार इसका हुड रिलीज भी नहीं है.
गाड़ी इसकी है खोल
ला ले गया.
Okay. हाँ मतलब इसने भी एक्चुअली यू हैड टू कट आउट द फायरवॉल ना. भाई फुल पंगा लिया हुआ है तो फायरवॉल काटा भी है सारा.
भाई ब्रो कस्टम माउंटिंग कस्टम एवरीथिंग. एक बार तो इस गाड़ी ने आग भी पकड़ ली थी.
कब?
स्टार्ट होने से पहले when we put this engine in, ये था नहीं. And I was in the office, लड़के आके बोलते आग लग गई.
3 मैकेनिक जल गए हमारे.
हाँ, well नहीं no. For all the government officials, हाथ जले हैं. We have all the safety protocols.
और अगर सेफ्टी मान लो नहीं हो पाती किसी वजह से तो हर्ष भाई होते हैं.
हाँ तो हर्ष भाई
वो
होते हैं.
हमने उस दिन देख लिया था
हाँ.
पिस्टन कप पे. नाइस.
That's there फिर differential हुआ है mount with custom mounting.
Okay.
पहले solid axle था.
And the rear axle you're saying is what is the source car of the rear axle?
Eco.
Eco.
So it's shorter ratio.
हाँ.
So that's there. Transmission is from the Omni.
So Eco car differential is able to handle the power output of a WagonR engine comfortably. How big is Eco car engine? I think again 1.1. नहीं.
I think it's a little bigger than that, but since it's meant to carry loads,
So,
it can
yeah.
handle the torque.
Okay. So when you mentioned about the differential, the axle popped.
That was our mistake because we knew when we had bought the scrap axle,
Ah.
there was a slight crack in it.
The axle shaft, you mean?
No, the whole differential. So if you would see the differential cover, it had a little crack in it.
Okay.
So oil would seep.
Okay.
And me being as lazy as I am, I said कि top up कर दो oil, चल जाएगा. It went on, did the event, drifted once more,
Okay.
and then one day had to click photos of it, took it out, came back in, and it's been standing here ever since.
And
Because-
this happened after Piston Cup.
Yeah, way after. I think like this happened last week.
Piston Cup तो निकाल दी मतलब.
Piston का आराम से निकाल दी.
And Piston Cup you drifted for like how many minutes if I am to put a number to it?
I think I just practiced rounds itself. I took I think me and Harsh combined this car drifted for a total 1 hour drift time.
Wow.
And
No heating issues.
no heating
such
issues,
thing.
nothing. The only issue had was a driver issue where I had, just over pushed the car a little.
हाँ.
But other than that, this car never faltered, never heated, and the thing was, it makes so much power that right now the next mod we are gonna do is delete the leaf springs.
So much power you mean the way 75 horsepower is being handled by almost a little more than 500 kg car.
So, like how other cars drift on first gear, we can't drift this on first gear because it's too much power.
Okay.
So we.
Any question? What's the 0 to 100?
जाती ही नहीं होगी शायद.
I mean, I don't have.
पे तो ये साइड में चली जाएगी.
हाँ. And I don't have the balls to take it there now क्योंकि ना ABS है, ब्रेक से फ्रंट कनेक्टेड है और
भाई फायरवॉल कटी हुई है, इंजन अंदर तक आया हुआ है, so it's.
वो तो नॉर्मल है, वो तो होता रहता है.
अच्छा.
ABS लगा दो तो 100 पे चला लेगा.
हाँ ABS तो फिर
हर्ष भाई जाके चेक करो ऊपर ABS है क्या इसके लिए, क्या पता मिल जाए.
इसके लिए गाड़ी दूसरी बनानी पड़ेगी.
हाँ that's been done and full half cage also और underbody bracing हुई है.
अच्छा. And the caging is ये बॉडी पे है या चैसी तक गया हुआ है केजिंग, या सिर्फ बॉडी पे किया हुआ है अभी?
बॉडी होती है ना तो
चैसी थोड़ी होती है, मोनोकॉक.
हाँ राइट इसी के
बेस है बेसिकली. जो इसमें यहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ
हाँ.
है, ये इधर आया है, वो पॉइंट है,
हाँ.
तो अंडर बॉडी ब्रेसिंग भी सारी वहीं से कनेक्टेड है नीचे इसकी.
ओह
बेसिकली
तो
स्पेस फ्रेम हो गया एक तरीके से.
हाँ.
अगर मैं बॉडी को हटा दूं तो
We can drive it on this.
Okay, fair enough. Now that makes it clear.
And we made it so rigid that sometimes if you initiate the drift, it goes on 3 wheels.
Oh. हाँ तो I think I saw that on the video also.
हाँ. And how the fuel tank's been moved up. And the biggest thing about this car is the spare parts are very cheap. Very
Obviously.
cheap. I think when we went to order the indicators,
हाँ.
he just started laughing for like 5 minutes. क्या हुआ? 50 रुपए की इंडिकेटर है. एक.
100 for 2 and the tail light
Tail light.
for 200 for 2.
हाँ. And the mirrors.
The good part is कि I mean that's the reason ना वही कहता है कि सस्ती सुंदर पर्पस बिल्ट
हाँ.
और चल जाती है पार्ट्स की अवेलेबिलिटी की कोई दिक्कत आती नहीं बिकॉज आई थिंक मारुति का तो रूल ही है कि 10 साल या 15 साल का है आफ्टर द कार इज स्टॉप्ड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 10 या 15 साल तक उसके पार्ट्स उनको देने ही देने
But because this car is being used somewhere in other parts of the country, spare
हाँ.
parts manufacturer बहुत आ गया.
हाँ.
तो वो लोग बनाते रहते हैं.
बन जाते हैं नाइस वेरी नाइस लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द टाइगर डेन
Yeah. So that's the steering wheel we got. Momo with drifting written on it.
ओके ड्रिफ्ट
Yeah.
Focus.
And-
Focus. Focus. Yes. Drift.
That's with the hub. This was courtesy of our dear friends Sahil and Akshat.
Okay.
I actually didn't have this seat before, and
Okay.
he was like, "There is no way you're driving this car without a 4-point harness."
Obviously doesn't make sense.
So we got, they supplied this to us.
Okay.
The Sparko 4-point harness and the racing seat, and a nano gear lever.
A nano gear lever.
A nano gear lever because it's using nano transmission wires, gear linkages.
Okay. And it's working fine.
Yeah, perfectly fine. And the dashboard and cluster is just for show. Nothing's wired up, nothing is connected
Okay.
because weight.
Although there's nothing to see, but still it's just for show.
Yeah, it's just for show. Yeah, and we got a battery cutoff switch inside. Got
Are
a
you
battery
planning to
here.
do something about this battery here? Considering it's exposed.
Yeah, so so we have a few mods on the list right now.
Okay.
The next thing we are gonna do is first of all do a rear disc conversion
Rear disc conversion. Okay.
so that I can add a hydraulic handbrake on this.
Okay.
Then the next thing after that is gonna sort out the rear suspension because that's on leaf right now.
अच्छा अभी leaf
Leaf
है.
springs. So we're gonna swap that out with a new model, and after that I'm gonna add a sheet here.
But
so
why do
that
you want to do that conversion? अच्छी खासी तो चल रही है leaf पे भी. I mean it's doing what it's
It
supposed to do,
hops
right?
too much. So I'm not
Okay.
able to use first gear and I'm not able to do line lock on this. I can't do a burnout. It'll just keep hopping there. And when it hops, the danger is that someday it can pop off and the axle can be behind and I'll be in the car. So that is the thing.
Looks like तो इसमें angle kit लगाया है कि ये किया है
We've made that on our own.
बस? Okay.
So that is negative camber is extended out and it has angle.
Yeah, I can see it. Just 1 second. He's turning the wheel.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So that's the angle.
So there has been fabrication work which has gone into it.
The whole car had to be. We almost had to make half of the body new because it was so rusted.
Okay.
And the thing was, the only reason we didn't want to go for a different 800 body
Huh.
was because we had this emotional connect with it. Because it's an old car.
Of course.
So we did that. I think the denting and the body work itself, including the paint, if you put all the days together, it took almost half a month.
I'm trying to focus something. Oh yeah, there you go. There we have it. Not for
Yeah.
kids.
Not for kids. But
Ah,
that is the whole motto of this car.
I can clearly see that. Nice.
And I mean, if someone is looking out to do a budget build, you could find a 800 for what? I think 20k, 30k.
Dude, forget about finding an 800. This is a clear example of
Even if you
it's
have,
possible.
हाँ,
Like
because
कम पैसों में आप ड्रिफ्ट कर सकते हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको BMW खरीदनी है या कोई you have to have like a high powered engine.
like I put in stuff like we did the paint for aesthetics, we put the steering wheel for aesthetics.
Huh.
Even if you didn't need that, like I think I've not sat down and calculated, but roughly around 4.5 lakhs the total build cost.
Total.
Total.
You mean including the car?
I mean, I didn't have to buy the car, but if you were to include, it'd be 4.5
4.55 max.
max. I mean, if you want to start out on a BMW itself will cost you 3 lakhs at least.
At least.
At least.
That too if you get a good deal.
And sasta hai sab.
हाँ.
Tire, अगर आप नए चाहो तो नए मिल जाते हैं, नहीं तो यूज्ड मिल जाते हैं 1200 रुपए के पेयर. एंड
This name is nostalgic, you know that.
yeah, Sigma and radials.
Radials.
Yeah, fun fact, these are the original tires that are on this car from I think 2012. And we did a whole event on that, and this thing doesn't need tires because it's so light. There's no weight on it. धुआं निकालती है, doesn't need tires.
That's what
Perfect.
matters.
That's what matters. No power steering, no power
You can
brakes.
actually, I mean, just a food for thought, because I have driven a couple of leaf sprung cars earlier. Instead of changing it into like a coil spring setup, तो ये देख सकता है कि are there any better leaf springs that you can use? Probably a progressive spring rate leaf spring.
So the problem, what's happening with the leaf
क्योंकि उससे
springs?
structure की integrity नहीं जाएगी फिर.
What's happening with problem with the leaf springs is that since obviously that differential is not designed to be in this car, we're experiencing some
okay.
play.
Okay.
So
Fair
for
enough.
that we need the linkages and the coil and spring setup. And once that is done, eventually down the line, I would also put coilovers in this. I would put some wheels. Make this a little more local.
JDMs.
JDM, yeah. Like some 3-spoke add-ons. And yeah,
Damn good stuff, man. Honestly, appreciate it.
any day. Sorry you couldn't drive it today, but
Very
yeah.
nice. It's okay. I don't want to drive it. I'll make you drive it someday, and I'll sit next to you. Where will I sit? Oh my god.
I think bucket डाल देंगे, don't worry.
ना भाई मैं चला के ट्राई कर लूँगा. Thank you.
See
But
you.
thank you so much. Great build.